7. It's a pretty normal day. Except that just happened. I miss you. I have seen some okay birds today. There was an oriole at my feeder. It's pretty sunny, and that's all. It's like a normal day. Why complain? Is really happening. These are really just very lovely to me, and I don't think they'll be here for that long, so I am trying to enjoy them. Listen to the birds. Gosh, what a nice day. I'm on a walk. I have this problem where my glasses fog up when I have the mask on. I haven't figured out exactly how to solve it. I've tried all the things you try, but I haven't succeeded. It might be unpleasant to be watching a video where I'm jumping, jumbling along, but it's so beautiful. I really miss you, and I wish we could sit out in the courtyard and read Linda Berry books together, which is, I think, what we would be doing if we were together. I'm very good at finding 4-leaf clovers. See that one? Yep, there it is. So, thought of the day. I do not mean to be a broken record about this, and I know I kind of am, but it's migration. It's spring bird migration. So please do me a favor and go on a quiet walk near some trees and stand still and see what you see. Here are a couple of birds that you might see. Baltimore oriole. Oh, they're so beautiful. Oh, rose-breasted grosbeak. Wow. Scarlet tanager. That is Luke's favorite bird. Indigo bunting. Blue. I mean, amazing. Yellow warbler. Yep. American goldfinch. What an incredible yellow. Or a northern flicker. What? Today for your writing, for your writing exercise, I'm going to use a website that generates personal list making prompts. So I'm going to do 3. You can pick one of the lists, or you can pick all of them. And I'll list the assignment on Google Classroom. Okay, so the first one says, list all the pets you remember owning in your lifetime. One of mine is right there. I mean, I'm ready to do this list. Choose several from your completed list and write about how one's pets can tell you a lot about a person's personality. That's true. My cat is drinking water from my paint water cup. So, what does that say about my personality? List all the songs you loved dancing to in your lifetime. Oh, yeah. It's like, choose several from your completed list and write about how songs and dancing can tell you a lot about a personality. I'm getting like a sense that this generator believes that whatever you write a list about can tell you a lot about a personality. List all the miscellaneous items stashed away in your junk drawer. I think just choose one. Use it as an anchor for a female cardinal. No, that's not really what you needed me to do. Choose one as an anchor for a fiction, short story, or tell the story of how you came to own that object, or write a poem/ode. Here's my DIY of the day. This is an old piano we used to have in my house, but it was really out of tune, and I tried to learn how to tune it, and I did learn, but it just would go right out of tune again. So we moved it into the backyard, and today I planted these beautiful succulents in it. Also, I bought for my husband for his birthday a living wreath, which looks like this. That's awesome. It's alive. I know I'm always excited, except for that one time that I was. Oh my gosh! The female cardinal has a male friend and they're dating and they love each other. Ugh, I love their love. It's beautiful. World Laughter Day. Cool glasses. Next week, what are you going to celebrate? Tomorrow is No Socks Day. Saturday, Lost Sock Memorial Day. Well, I mean, of course you're gonna have a lost sock the day after you get rid of your socks. Then the next one is National Shrimp Day. Also Mother's Day. Make sure you appreciate your mother. Next is Eat What You Want Day. That's a good one. Monday, May 11th, Eat What You Want Day. Tuesday, May 12th, International Nurses Day. And that's like really important this year. And then next Wednesday is Frog Jumping Day. That's a good week ahead, my friends. I hope you find ways to celebrate all of those holidays. Ooh, the crumb.